See, those are Masai guys driving by. They think it's totally proper for me to have my woman change the tire.
Hello, I'm Margaret.
And I'm Russ.
And we're with Michaela.
Join us in the adventure to save Africa's wildlife.
We just left the Ngorongoro. I was practicing and I can say it. The Ngorongoro crater, and we're heading towards Serengeti on the rough road on the 405, and it's absolutely spectacular.
Stunning.
Stunning.
Look at this. The reds and the yellows and the greens.
Cow crossing.
This is awesome!
Okay. Hit the big rock. That's the culprit.
How in the world could I have hit?
Well, we haven't changed tire before. This will be the first time.
Yeah, but it's gonna eat into our animal viewing. So we gotta get to Serengeti by 12:11.
Okay, see how long it's going to take us to change this tire.
It was such a pretty morning.
It still is. That still is a pretty morning. It's all part of the experience. We couldn't have done this in a prettier spot. It's beautiful. My job is to take the cover off. Okay.
It's all tied.
Special key so you can't steal it. Spare tire. Bear off. Jack!
Get that high lift jack out just so that we know how to use it.
So we hit a rock.
Couple inches.
Might be all you need. Okay, last lug nut off.
Well, we're not going to get 70,000 K on this one.
It's okay. We're on. In place.
Shit.
Getting lug nuts connected. Final tightening. Lift the jack back down. Clean everything up. Put the bad tire on the back and we're good to go. Tire all replaced. Okay, you did a marvelous job.
You did too. Team Harris. Ta-da!
Ta-da.
Now we don't have a spare tire going all the way through the Serengeti. So we'll see
We will be
if there's any other.
rocks looming there waiting to grab our tires. Come along, join us. Join the adventure. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Michaela Wildlife.
She's just helping with the lug nuts. I promise. I did a lot of the rest.
You did all